Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we tear apart the fine print so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the Shopify Basic Plan. It's the one used by over 1 million stores. And it's marketed so well.
Yeah.
The perfect start at $39 a month, or even $29 if you pay annually.
And that entry price is brilliant. But our mission today is to show you why nearly half of those users eventually, well, they hit a wall. They find themselves pretty much forced to upgrade.
Okay.
We're going to dissect the hidden costs and the restrictions that turn this plan into more of a starter funnel than a real long-term solution.
The starter funnel, I like that.
Yeah.
Because the initial promise is just unbeatable. You get unlimited products, SSLs built in, discount codes, and you don't need to code anything.
Yeah, you feel like you've unlocked total freedom.
Exactly.
But that feeling lasts right up until you make your first sale. That's when the margin erosion, it just kicks in immediately.
Okay, so let's talk fees.
The main one is the Shopify payments fee. It's 2.9% plus 30 cents on every single order.
Which might not sound like a lot at first.
Right. But if your store gets to, say, $10,000 in monthly revenue, you're instantly losing almost $300 just to those fees.
And here's the part that gets me. If you try to use an external processor, like maybe you prefer Stripe or PayPal.
They penalize you for it.
Yeah, an additional 2% fee right on top of everything else, suddenly you're looking at, what, almost 5% per order.
It's a huge chunk.
Yeah.
And that penalty is really designed to keep you in their ecosystem.
Mm-hmm.
But the subscription itself, that's just a fraction of the real cost.
Right.
You've got immediate costs that aren't part of the subscription.
Right.
A domain is maybe $16 a year, manageable, but almost no one sticks with a free theme.
No way. Most people immediately buy a premium theme, which is, what, $100 to $500 right out of the gate, just to look professional.
Exactly. And then come the apps. The apps are the silent subscription killer. Your plan is $39, but you need paid apps for, product reviews, email upsells, essential stuff. Our sources show they add another $22, sometimes over $100 a month.
So that basic plan is instantly $100, maybe $150 a month plan for any active store.
For most people, yeah.
Okay, so we've covered the costs, but where does the platform build actual walls when you start to succeed?
I'm looking at the staff accounts, and I just can't believe this.
It's the single biggest trigger for a forced upgrade. The basic plan includes, and this is wild, 0 staff accounts.
0. So only the owner can log in.
Only the owner. If you want to hire someone for fulfillment or to run your ads, you have to share your main password, your master login.
That's a massive security headache. How is that even a thing? It basically forces you to upgrade the second you need help.
Instantly, if you care about security at all. And beyond that, the growth tools are pretty restricted. The reporting is almost laughably basic.
You just get surface-level sales data, right? No real behavioral insights. Nothing. No conversion funnels, no deep traffic analytics, none of the things you need to actually optimize your store or your ad spend.
Okay, and what about selling globally?
You're throttled. International selling is capped at just 3 markets. For real global expansion, you have to upgrade. Plus, the shipping discounts are much weaker on the basic plan, which can cost a high-volume store thousands a year.
So the verdict is pretty clear. Shopify Basic is it's perfect for testing an idea, a side project, maybe a store doing under $5,000 a month.
For sure. But the moment you want to be a serious business, those limits, the 0 staff accounts, the weak analytics, the fees they make upgrading unavoidable, it's built to be a funnel.
So what does this all mean for you? Given all these limitations and forced upgrades, we have to ask, does this model really encourage merchants to be fully informed about their future costs?
Or is the whole thing just designed to prioritize platform lock-in over your flexibility as a merchant? Something to chew on as you calculate your next move.